This might be the shortest video we had ever made. So we used to find our age in Python by writing this code. It's wrong. Today I'm going to show you how it's done right. First up, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications. Now, back to the show. So we all learned this code on our first days of programming, but it's wrong to make something that you can't use in the future. This code gets outdated every year, and this age calculation code is in Python is only for beginners, and we are pros here. So what do? We make an advanced one. Now let's code it the right way. First, import the datetime module. Then define an input variable in integer for user's birth year. We need it to get user's age. Under it, define another variable to do the math and find the age. In the variable, write datetime dot now dot year and minus birth year. Then print a statement with the variable that found the age. I'm saying you are. Then after the end quote, write comma age, then again comma, and give in parenthesis and write old. Now if we run it and say my birth year is 2004, then it's saying I am 17 years old. Now you might be saying how it's different than the previous one. Well, now you won't have to update it every year to find the correct age. It will upgrade itself for years to come. So that's all for today. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe if you are new, and we hope to see you guys in the next one.